Hello everyone. Welcome to IIT Foundation classes grade 6th. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to deal with the topic of divisibility rules, which is in the number system. Okay. So I think we have discussed about the divisibility rules in for certain numbers, right? So rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, rule number 5, and rule number 10, rule number 9 also we have discussed. Okay. So based on these rules, let us check some problems. Right. So first let us try with the concept based questions. So first question is, a number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its units place digit is, according to the divisibility rule for 2 is, the units place digit or the last digit of a number must be 0 or even number. 0 or even number. Then the entire number will be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means exactly divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder. Okay? Yeah. So even numbers are nothing but here 2, 4, 6 and 8. That means if a number having in its units place digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the entire number will be divisible by 2. So according to the options, option number 3, which is exactly suitable for us. So remaining all 3 options are odd numbers. Only 2 is an even number. So we have to go through the option number 3. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 2, which is given that a number is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? The divisibility rule for 3 is nothing but sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of a number. Sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 4. Sorry, multiple of 3. Sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 3. Then the entire number will be divisible by 3. Okay. Let us see here. If sum of digits is divisible by 3. Option number 1. So direct options, because these are all concept based questions. The concept we have discussed in our previous class. Please go and watch it. So let us move on to the next problem. Right. So problem number 3. If a number is divisible by 5, what is the divisibility rule for 5? The divisibility rule for 5, which is nothing but the units place digit. The units place digit is 0 or 5. The units place digit is 0 or 5. Then the entire number is exactly divisible by 5. Okay. So according to this, first option is correct, second option is correct. But I told you that whether it is either 0 or 5. So we need to choose the option number 3. That means the entire number which is exactly divisible by 5, it should have its units place digit as 0 or 5. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Right. So problem number 4. If a number is divisible by 6, yes, this rule we did not discuss yet. Let us see the divisibility rule for 6. The divisibility rule for 6 is nothing but does not have any specific rule. The rule for 6 which I have taken from the rules of 2 and 3. That means if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the entire number is, that means the number is exactly divisible by 6. Or simply, if a number follows the divisibility rule of 2 and the divisibility rule of 3, both it should be follows, then the entire number is exactly divisible by 6. Okay. Now see, then the number must be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. So we can say that the number is exactly divisible by 6. Okay. So let us try to move on to the next problem. See the question number 5. Which of the following number is divisible by 9? What is the divisibility rule for 9? The divisibility rule for 9 and divisibility rule for 3 exactly having a similar situation, which is nothing but sum of the digits. Divisibility rule for 9 is nothing but sum of digits is multiple of 9. Sum of digits is multiple of 9, then the entire number will be divisible by 9. So let us try to check with the options. Okay. First option, so I have the zeros here, so I can use only the digits which are having a value, so nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 9, because if you add 0 for 2, again 2 only will come, right? So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 9, sum of the digits is 15, but the 15 is not a multiple of 9, therefore first option is incorrect. Let us go through the second option. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 21 and 28. So 28 is not exactly divisible by 9. So option 2 also incorrect. Let us go and check third option. So 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15 and 15 plus 7, 22. 22 is not a multiple of 9. So third option is also wrong. Fourth option, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Yes, 18 is a multiple of 9. So option 4 is correct. So our required answer is 4. Fourth option. The question number 6, which is given that if a number have its unit digit as 2, 4, 6, 8. When a number having its unit digit as 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 also, then the entire number is exactly divisible by 2. That is the rule for 2. So therefore then it is divisible by 2. Okay. So let us discuss with the next problem. Check the seventh problem. The number 78,436 is divisible by. Now let us go through the options first. Divisibility rule for 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2? The last digit or units place digit is exactly or 0 or even number. The units place digit is 0 or even number, then we can say that the number is divisible by 2. So units place digit is 6. Yes, it is exactly divisible by 2. Now let us try to check rule number 3 also. What is the rule number 3? Sum of its digits. So I am adding all of them. So let us try to check. The remaining options are incorrect or correct. So 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9, which is nothing but 28. 28 is not a multiple of 3. So we can neglect this option. And divisibility rule for 5. So 5 also. What is the rule for 5? Last digit or units place digit is 0 or 5. So incorrect. So only first option is true. Yeah, problem number 8. So if a number is divisible by 9, then sum of its digit is divisible by. According to the rule number 9 is the sum of digits is divisible by 9 or sum of digits is multiple of 9, then the entire number will be divisible by 9 table. So our correct option is 4. Yeah, question number 9. Which of the following number is divisible by 10? What is the divisibility rule for 10? The divisibility rule for 10 is nothing but units place digit of a number. Units place digit of a number is 0. Units place digit is 0. Then the entire number is exactly divisible by 10. Now check. So among these 4 options, option 2, which is exactly follows the rule number 10. Okay. So please look into it. Right. So let us try to solve the next problem. Yeah. Which of the following number is exactly divisible by 9? Which of the following number is divisible by 9? So this is the question. Let us try to identify the answer. Okay. What is the answer? How to check? First of all, let us try to check the divisibility rule for 9. What is divisibility rule for 9? Sum of digits is exactly divisible by 9 or multiple of 9. Then the entire number is divisible by 9. Okay, check. Digits. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 9, which is nothing but 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 26 plus 6, 32. 32 is not a multiple of 9. So first option is incorrect. So let us move on to the next option. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22. So 22 is not a multiple of 9. So second option also incorrect. Now third option, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 8, 30. So 30 is not a multiple of 9, so which is incorrect option. Now last option, let us try to check our luck. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12. 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20, 25, which is not an option for us. So according to this one, the question might be divisibility. The given number is exactly divisible by 3. The question might be divisible by 3. Then among these, we will have only one option, which is nothing but option number 3 is true. So option number 3 is our correct answer. So remaining all are incorrect. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Right. So these are exercise problems. So problem number 1, which is given that which of the following number is divisible by 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2? So simply the divisibility rule for 2 is nothing but units place digit of a number. Units place digit of a number. So units place digit is 0 or even number. Then the entire number is exactly divisible by 2. Let us check the units place digit. Units place digit is 3. 3 is not an even number. First option is incorrect. So second, units place digit is 9. So which is also incorrect. Third one, units place digit is even number. Yes. The option number 3 is our required answer. Okay. Yeah. So let us check the problem number 2. This is which of the following number is divisible by 2? Again the same question which is repeated. The divisibility rule for 2 is units digit. What is the divisibility rule for 2? Units digit is 0 or even. Even number means which is comes in 2 table 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Yeah, check. So among them option 3. Units place digit is 0. Then the entire number is exactly divisible by 2. So we need to check only option 3 will be the correct answer. So remaining all incorrect. Because they're all ends with the digit odd number. Yeah. Problem number 3. A number is divisible by 3. Then the sum of its digit is divisible by, as we discussed that, the divisibility rule for 3 is nothing but sum of digits. Sum of digits is multiple of 3. We can write multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Okay. We can write multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Then the entire number is exactly divisible by 3. Okay. So option number 2. The sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 4, which is given that which of the following number is divisible by 3? Yes. So as we discussed the divisibility rule for 3, sum of digits of a number must be multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Then the entire number is divisible by 3. Okay. Check. First number, so 3 plus 2, I am adding all its digits. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is not a multiple of 3, so first option will be incorrect. Now go through the second option, which is 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, which is not a multiple of 3, we can neglect second option also. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Yes, 18 will be the multiple of 3. Option number 3 will be correct answer. So our required answer is 5454. This number will be exactly divisible by 3 table. Okay, next question. Right. The question number 5. The fifth question is given that number 723 is divisible by. Let us go through the options first. First option, which is divisible by 6. That means, what is the divisibility rule for 6? If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the entire number is exactly divisible by 6. Now check, is it divisible by 2? What is the divisibility rule for 2? Units place digit is even number or 0. Unit place digit is odd number. So which is not divisible by 2 as well as not divisible by 6. Now what is the fifth? Rule number 5. The last digit or units place digit of a number is 0 or 5. 0 or 5. So here the last or units place digit is 3, which is not 0, neither 0 nor 5. So which is also incorrect. Now let us check the divisibility rule for 3. Sum of digits. What is the sum of digits? 7 plus 2 plus 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Yes. Sum of digits is multiple of 3. So 12 is a multiple of 3. So this 723 will be divisible by 3 table. Okay. So let us go and check for the fourth problem. So next problem. Right. So if a number is divisible by 10, then its last digit. What is the rule for 10? The divisibility rule for 10 is nothing but the units place digit is the last digit or units place digit of a number is 0 exactly. See, then the last digit is 0. Then only the given number will be exactly divisible by 10, or else it won't be divisible by 10. Okay. Next problem. Yeah. The number which is divisible by both 2 and 3. So what is the rule for this? If a number is exactly divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. That is the rule for 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, is also divisible by 6. So which of the number is divisible by both 2 and 3? Okay, let us check the 2 rule first. So 2 rule means last digit or units place digit of a number is even. So there are 2 options for us. First option, second option, both are end with the digit even. So we can consider first option or second option will be one of our required answer. But third and fourth options are incorrect because they are not following the divisibility rule for 2. Next, coming to the divisibility rule for 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of digits is multiple of 3. So let us add sum of digits. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Yes, 18 is multiple of 3. So which follows, the first option is following the rule for 2 and rule for 3. Then this number is our required answer. Okay. Next problem. Which of the following number is divisible by both 2 and 3? Which of the following number is divisible by both 2 and 3? So again, let us check 2 rule. What is 2 rule? The last digit of a number or units place digit of a number is 0 or even number. Check. First of all, check. Yes, all are divisible by 2. Because last option is 2 even number, 0 which is also divisible by 2, 4 even number, 2 also even number. So all of the 4 options are correct. True. Now check divisibility rule for 3. What is divisibility rule for 3? Sum of digits. Sum of digits of a number is multiple of 3. Let us try to check their sum. 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 is not a multiple of 3. So first option is incorrect. Second option. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 23. So 23 also not divisible by 3. So second option also incorrect. Next, coming to third. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 4, 30. Yes, 30 is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Our required answer is 3, option 3. So let us move on to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 9. The number 2385 is divisible by. Is it divisible by 6? Absolutely not, because what is the rule for 6? Rule for 6 is nothing but the entire number which is divisible by 2 and 3. Both the rules it should be satisfies. Then the number is exactly divisible by 6. But according to the question, the given number is last digit is end with odd number, not an even number. So it is not satisfying the 2 rule. So first option is incorrect. Let us check second option, which is divisible by 8 or not. Yes, let us discuss the rule number 8. What is rule 8? Rule 8 is nothing but last 3 digits. What is meant by last 3 digits? Last 3 digits means units place digit, tens place digit and hundreds place digit of a number is multiple of 8 or zeros. All 3 digits must be zeros or multiple of 8. Then the entire number is divisible by 8. So last 3 digits, when you check that, 385 is not a multiple of 8. So second option also incorrect. Option number 4, last 2 digits. What is the rule for 4? Last 2 digits of a number, zeros are multiple of 4. Last 2 is 85. 85 is not a multiple of 4. Option number 3 also incorrect. Let us check option number 4. Fourth option is rule for 9. What is rule for 9? Sum of digits is multiple of 9. So add 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. Yes, 18 is a multiple of 9, therefore entire number is divisible by 9. So our required answer will be fourth option. Now question number 10, the number which is divisible by 3 but not 9. So that means the number should be sum of the digits of a number only multiple of 3 but not multiple of 9. Such type of numbers we need to identify, because rule number 3 and rule number 4 having the same rules. What are the same rules or similar rules? Nothing but sum of digits is multiple of 3 which is divisible by 3. Sum of digits is multiple of 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. So let us check. Only we need to get the answer as 3 multiples but not 9 multiples. Okay. Yeah. Now 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 how much? 24. 24 plus 3, 27. The 27 is multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 9. But our answer should not be this, because it should be divisible by only 3 but not 9. Now coming to this, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is multiple of 3, multiple of 9. So it is also incorrect. Option number 3. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13, 21. Yes. 21 is multiple of 3, but 21 is not a multiple of 9. Our required answer will be option number 3. Okay. Yeah, let us see the numerical type questions. A prime number except 2. What is the prime number except 2? The prime number means 2 is also a prime number. Prime number is nothing but a number is having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Here 2 except 2 means 2 also a prime number. So we can delete the prime number 2, which is divided by 2. Then the remainder is, that means except the even prime, if you divide all the odd prime numbers, what is the remainder? The remainder is always 1. For example, if you take the odd primes 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on, when you divide any one of the number, for example 7, divide with 2. 2 3s are 6, then the remainder is 1. So always odd number leaves the remainder 1 when the odd number is divided by 2. Yeah, question number 12. Number of natural numbers from 1 to 15 which are divisible by 2 and 3. So what are the numbers are available in 1 to 15? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. See which are divisible by 2 and 3. Which are divisible by 2 and 3? Nothing but rule number 6. If a number is multiple of or divisible by 2 and 3, then the entire number is divisible by 6. So sixth rule. That means we need to take two multiples, three multiples. Nothing but 2 and 3 multiples, 6 multiples we should take. So what are the numbers? Both are divisible by 2 and 3 are nothing but 6 multiples, 6 and 12. Therefore the numbers are 6, 12. Only these two numbers will come in both the 3 table and 2 table, both of the tables. Okay? Yeah. Question number 13. If the number is having 5 in its units digit, then the number is divisible by 5. We discussed the rule for 5. Rule for 5 is nothing but units place digit of a number. Units place digit or last digit of a number is 0 or 5, then the entire number is divisible by 5. So according to the question, the number which is having 5 in its unit digit, nothing but divisible by 5. Yes, this is the answer. Okay? Right? So from this problem, see, till this problem we have completed all concept based questions and exercise problems. So this full synopsis has been completed. So that's it for today, children. Thank you and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.